Alright, so yeah, after watching Night's Chaos 689 this video, which you can watch like right here, if you click this button right here, yeah. I decided to order a new headset, and the headset is the Logitech G330 gaming headset, which was released not too long ago. And the reason why I decided to get the headset was because one, my Razer Barracuda headset, which costs about $100 or something. I really do not know. I forgot. It was like a year ago. Broke on me, which it broke like last year, and the mic decided to start to static and stuff, and it was very uncomfortable to wear, and I usually get sweaty after about an hour wearing the headset. And two, when I game and I'm on the Ventrilo and stuff, I usually use the QuickCam Pro 9000 microphone. But as you can see, every time I use it, I use my speakers, and it basically, like, the mic isn't really good. It usually cracks up and
echoes and gives me a headache.
Yeah, nobody could understand me and stuff because they can hear the car sounds, and they can hear me, and then they can hear everybody else in the chillo, and then they can hear like lions and tigers and bears all over my room and stuff and whatever. But yeah, I decided to get the headset, and which is right here. Ordered it from Amazon. Cost about $35 with shipping and handling, and yeah, let's get this thing open. And okay, so this is the box. On the back, all sorts of crap. Hold on, give me a second, let me autofocus it. Adjustable behind the head design, head, like something, noise cancelling microphone, inline audio controls, and USB adapter, and all that bull crap. Okay, so, oh yeah, also, on the box, like right here, it says easy open. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna try it out. Earphone.
Does it feel nice?
Yeah, the earphone really does feel nice. Night's Chaos was right. It's like the most comfortable earphone I ever found. Wow. Right. So what you get is this crap. I don't know what it is, or maybe because I put it upside down.
Warranty.
Some crap. Okay, see this? I don't know what it is, but I don't care. The stupid quick start guide. It's the quick start guide. Like anybody would ever use that. And then the headset itself. Okay. Headset's right here. It's kind of flimsy, but who cares? It's good mic. I think it's good. Is there any point to doing this? Like, is there any point putting everything in plastic?
No.
Okay. Alright. What you get is there's USB adapter. See? USB adapter. Microphone, headset, and then USB. And basically, if you don't want to use your audio input jacks, or your audio input jacks are messed up, you plug this in into here, and you just plug it in onto the computer. And surprisingly, they said that if you plug it in here, then they say that it sounds better, but I can't guarantee you that because I haven't tried it yet. But yeah, I'm gonna try this. And also,
Put it on, yeah.
and on the headset, there's this toggle switch. See here? It's like the switch that you find in houses and stuff for lights. Basically for muting your microphone and unmuting it, and also the volume, whatever you call it. And then there's also this Velcro tie where you can keep the wires nice and neat, so my mom won't have to actually go into my room and freaking tie up everything to the point where I can't freaking use it like far away, which happens before.
Yeah.
And also the Velcro strap, which you can organize all the wires, is not detachable, so you can't take it out. I'm gonna try this headset, and then on the next slide you'll probably see me and hear me with the headset on and my basic review of it. Alright.
What you could do is like
Yeah.
2 different videos, like one of the other socket and one with the like USB.
Yeah.
Yeah, try
Yeah.
and record it with each one, and yeah.
So on the next slide, I messed that part up, but whatever. Okay. So this is me without the headset.